Next concept we'll discuss about the print function, which is used for displaying the content or to display the content in the console output. We are using the print function. Whatever the content we are writing in the single quotations, it is going to be displayed as it is. If we are representing in double quotations with the print statement also, it is going to be displayed as it is. But we should not display we should not enclose with the single quotations and double quotations. If I'm starting with single quotations, we need to enclose with single quotations only, or we need to end with single quotations. If you are starting with single quotations and ending with double quotations, will not be accepted. In a similar way, starting with the double quotations, ending with single quotations also will not be accepted, will be getting the error. The print function, whatever it may be the content we have, after printing that content, it will be enters into the new line. See, now print hello Python, print welcome. So in one line we are going to get hello Python, and in the next line we are going to get as welcome. Hello Python, welcome. Now, if I want to get the content in the same line, just what I'm going to be use, I'm going to use the attribute called as n. By default, after printing the content what we have in the print statement, the control will enters into the new line, and the content what we have here, it is going to be get executed. To maintain the next print statement content also in the same line, we are using this space. How much space we are giving, that much space we are going to be get. Hello Python, welcome. So if I'm giving single space, we'll be getting single space over there. Instead of that, if I'm giving instead of space, if I'm giving any other symbols or any numbers also, we are going to be get. See, hello Python, $2, welcome. So not only symbols, any content we can able to give, and we can able to make the next statement also to be printed in the same line. That is the purpose of using this. And if we have a variable value to print the variable value, to print the variable value, we are writing here print a, print a. So we are going to get the value as 10. We are going to get the value as 10. See, to get the value of a to be printed, to get the value of a to be printed, we no need to mention that in the single quotations or double quotations. If I mention this in the single quotations or double quotations, what will happen? The same content only it is going to be displayed for us. But here we want to print the value of the variable, to print the value which is with the variable. I want to display the value of the variable, and I want to display the content as well. Print value of a. So value of a, it is going to be display the a value. So I'm displaying this content as it is in the output. Then the variable value we want to display. So we are using the comma for separating it. Comma for separating it. So like this we can able to represent. This is the information about the print function. Next concept we have comments. Next concept we'll see comments. Comments is just for programmer understanding purpose, to write some documentation about the logic what we are performing. For easy recognition of the code in future, or for easy understanding purpose of the code in the future, we are going to be use the comments. The comments is of two types. One is single line comment, multi-line comment. Single line comment is going to be start with the hash. Single line comment is going to start with hash. Example we can say here as this is the single line comment. So whatever the content we are writing after the hash, it will not consider for execution either in the beginning of the line or in the ending of the line. If we start with the hash, that is not going to be considered for execution. Multi-line comment is used for writing the documentation that is going to be represented with the triple quotations, triple double quotations. This is the multi-line comment in Python programming. So we'll see this. Normally, hello world. Welcome. See, this is a code we are executing. Hello world, welcome. So it is going to be display even after adding the comments, also the same thing. This is an example for comments in Python. So we'll be getting the same thing. We'll be getting the same thing. So single line comments, multi-line comment also we can represent it the same way. It will not show any changes in the output, just it is going to be display the content.